Eating raw meat already for breakfast is typical here in Germany. In this video, I'm going to tell you what raw meats are available to try here in Germany and how safe it is to eat them. Raw meat like raw pork, beef and raw sausages you can find almost in any butcher shop. So I bought the most popular raw meats here in Germany and I'm going to show you how to eat them. And yes, there's not only one variation, but two available in the butcher shops. Mett is actually the rawest pork that you can get. It's usually a mixture of pork belly and pork shoulder. The meat is traditionally seasoned with salt, pepper, often served with onion, either minced inside or on the top. All the spices that we use for the Mett is paprika powder or caraway seeds. For me, it has a mild taste, and on my sausage tour, I've never had a person who didn't like it. Mett is spreadable and therefore it is always served on the bread roll. German Mettwurst is like Mett, but it isn't. It is actually smoked sausage. You can either get it in casing or as a Frühstück Mettwurst, which means that it's spreadable and on the bread roll. You can find both variations in the butcher shops here in Germany. German Mettwurst is also made from the shoulder or belly or both, like Mett, and because of curing, is stronger in taste and therefore usually contains more spices. So apart from salt and pepper, it might contain garlic, caraway, marjoram or nutmeg. It has a tangy, savory and meaty taste. The texture can vary, but it is generally firm and dense with a slight chewiness. And there's also another variation, which is a smoked Mettwurst, and this one is called Teewurst. Teewurst is either pork or a mixture of pork and beef. This sausage is cured and smoked, and therefore it's got a lot of flavor. It is spiced with salt, pepper, garlic, sometimes coriander, and paprika powder. From all sausages that I've shown you so far, this is definitely my favorite one. Teewurst and Mettwurst you can not only find in the butcher shops, but also in the German supermarket. Raw pork was nothing else than the butcher's breakfast just after slaughtering the pig. Nevertheless, raw pork can potentially contain harmful bacteria to you. But it is safe to eat it in Germany because of the regulations regarding the sale and the preparation. Meat that is sold in a butcher shop, it's usually not even 1 day old. I would always advise you to buy Mett, so the raw pork, in a butcher shop. For Mettwurst and Teewurst, you can definitely go to a supermarket. Pfefferbeisser and Landjäger are typically enjoyed as a cold cut or snack. Popular choice for picnics, outdoor gatherings, hiking, hunting or camping. This sausage can be eaten on its own without a need for refrigeration. German Pfefferbeisser is known for its spicy flavor. The black pepper is here the most important spice. It is visible throughout the sausage. It can be soft or firm, but it's always chewy. And for those of you who don't eat pork, there is also a Pfefferbeisser made of beef, and the casing is made of lamb. This vendor told me that there are so many people that don't eat pork nowadays, and therefore they came up with this idea. German Landjäger, on the other hand, is a type of dry-cured sausage with a characteristic shape. This one is firmer than Pfefferbeisser, but it's not less flavorful. And the last raw sausage that I'm going to present in Germany is the German salami. This is Salami Brötchen, and this is a bread roll with a classic salami sausage, and it can be found in any bakery. German salami is made from a mixture of pork and beef. Commonly used ingredients include salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and various herbs. Beef Tatar is the rawest beef that you can find in Germany. This dish you can usually find at the German restaurants, and it might be served with a variety of ingredients. The raw egg yolk is usually one of them, and then salt, pepper, mustard, onions, paprika powder, and some restaurants even serve it with paper. Beef Tatar you can sometimes also get in a butcher shop like the Mett. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you are coming to Frankfurt and want to try German sausages, don't forget to give me a shout out. I wish you a lovely week, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!